Hey, this is Lawrence Tam. I hail from Sugar Land, Texas. If you don't know what it is, that's Houston, Texas. I'm a retired engineer due to the Empower Network. I've been in network since the beginning. It's about 16 months as of right now, and it's been a ridiculous drive to go into the top. Became #1. Now I beat #3. I'm making $1 million a year. Who talks about making $1 million in a year being a #3 earner? That's just ridiculous in 16 months. But you know what? All that was passive. Able to retire my wife. I'm just here chilling, taking care of my kids, living the life that Empower actually gives you. The money's great. Let's not get that wrong, but it's the lifestyle you have. They're not forcing you to do meetings. They're not forcing you to call your grandma. You can do how you want to do, market the way you want, and live the life you want.
Hey, what's going on? This is Peter Sorensen, one of the co-founders of our Team Take Massive Action inside of Empower Network. I'm now living my dreams, living in my dream home in beautiful Costa Rica, Tamarindo, Costa Rica. Absolutely amazing.
I have hundreds of blogs, and it is a pain in the butt to be developing blogs. And then people go, how do you make a blog? It is ridiculously hard to train someone how to get hosting, get the domains hooked up, install WordPress, and get the right themes, and then wait for the updates and plugins. All that's inside of Empower Network. Go ahead and plug in and get ranked on an authority blog.
I'd say my favorite product is the Masters course. I actually attended that live last summer, and it was really the breakthrough for me. I was just getting started in this business. I'd made just little bit of money, and really in that course it broke down the whole business of how to go from brand new, like I was getting started, to my first $10,000 a month and grow from there and break it down in the whole business. Really a higher level training, and really by the top of the top producers and leaders. So for me, that was really the shift. And literally out of that course, the next 30 days I had my first 5-figure month based on what I learned and based on the intentions I set from that information. So I'd say the Masters course for me was the breakthrough product.
People got to come to events to actually feel the energy in these buildings of real people having breakthroughs. Some people are just like, hey man, I know I can do this now. You know what? That person down there can do it part-time, I can do it part-time. It's not, you don't have to be a superstar. You don't even have to be smart. I'm just a regular guy doing it with the system, following the 8 core commitments and making it happen.